question 4, there are 80 red apples and Y green apples in a fruit store. If an apple is selected at random, the probability of selecting a green is 1/3. So find the value of Y. So you have 80 and Y. Total number of apples is 80 plus Y. And if you want to select a green one, it's Y out of 80 plus Y. Okay, that's the probability. And according to the question, this probability is actually 1/3. So I can equate this to 1/3. Okay, then you can do your cross multiplication. Equals to 3Y. So 80 is equals to 2Y. And Y is equals to 40. So the value of Y is 40. Now for question 5, a box contains some red, blue, and green blocks. A block is drawn at random. Probability of drawing a red is 3/8. And the probability of drawing a blue is 1/3. Find the probability of drawing a green. So there are only 3 colors, right? If it's not red, not blue, means it'll be green. Okay, so your total probability is 1 whole. Probability of getting a green, you take 1 whole minus the red minus blue. And you should get 7/24.